Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. Hey, Sisi, you look so happy today. It's great. And Anton, everything is alright? You look so sad today. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay. Um, have you eaten in this morning, everybody? Okay. Alhamdulillah. Huh? You breakfast with nasi goreng. Yeah, nasi goreng. It's so yummy. And then okay. So you ready to study? Yes? Okay. Before we start our lesson, it's be better if we are praying together. Praying, begin. Finish. Okay. So let for the first, let me check your attendance, yeah. No one missing in the class, yes. Okay, good. Okay, guys, do you still remember what our material in the last meeting? Yeah, Mbak Nanda, betul. Descriptive text. What is descriptive text? Yeah, to describe something. Yeah, and you are also have done your job very well. Okay, so today we will go in the next material, but because we have class in the morning, our I will play the video for to make you feel fresh. Are you still feel sleepy, everybody? Okay. I hope this video can make you feel fresh and you can concentrate to um, continue our lesson. Okay, I will play it.
Use follow ingredients and follow these simple steps. First of all, puree the garlic, onion, and chilies with the help of pestle and mortar. Next, prepare a frying pan and then pour the cooking oil to the pan according to your taste. After that, heat the frying pan just using a medium flame. After the cooking oil is hot enough, pour the puree seasoning. Stir all the materials until fragrant and right. Then, put the eggs and meatballs, scramble it until cooked. Now, add 1 plate of After everything on the pan is regained enough, serve the fried rice into the plate. Now, you can decorate it with sliced.
Hey, very yummy ya. Nasi goreng. Okay. So after you watch the video, what can you tell me about the video? Cara membuat nasi goreng bener. Di sini ada yang bisa masak nasi goreng? Ada yang bisa? Ada yang membantu mama. Okay, it's good. And then yeah, how to make fried rice. Okay, and then so if you watch this video, can you give me procedure? Procedure. This is a procedure. So our material today is about procedure text. Nah, jadi kan tadi kan lewat video. Nah, sekarang kita akan membahas teksnya. Biasanya dari teksnya ini kita bisa bikin video tutorialnya. So, what do you think about procedure text? What is procedure text? Yeah, procedure text is a text that show a process or how to make something. Ya, betul Mbak Nanda, how to make something. So, jadi procedure text ini nggak cuma melulu tentang makanan ya. So, kita bisa how to operate something, misalnya kita mau mengoperasikan komputer, kita mau menggunakan sesuatu, kita mau ke ATM. So, if the text have a steps step by step to do something or to operate something, itu namanya procedure text. So the social function of procedure text is to tell, to describe betul how to do something. Yeah, so the social function of a procedure text is to tell or describe the reader how to do or make something through a sequence of series. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian mau membuat kue, mau membuat layang-layang, mau mengoperasikan komputer, nah itu termasuk dalam procedure text. Then types of procedure. Nah, text that instruct how to do a particular activity. Jadi cuma beberapa partikel. Seperti recipes, rules for games. Jadi rule untuk kita bermain dulu kan. Langkah pertama adalah ini. Nah, itu juga termasuk procedure text. Nah, and then how to operate something, like how to operate an appliance, machine, photocopier, computer. And then the most common procedure text itu biasanya contohnya adalah kalau kalian masak-masak itu namanya resep, betul. So in this biasanya kan kalau di procedure text itu kalian keluar kata-kata apa di procedure text, di langkah-langkahnya itu biasanya ada apa? Langkah pertama, betul, first, second, third, biasanya kayak gitu kan ya. And then ada kata perintah, betul, seperti angkat, tiriskan ya, boil, mix, ya, that's true. Like tadi ya, panaskan minyak, betul, bener kamu Mbak Nanda. Do you like to cook? Yeah. Okay, good. What favorite food you usually make? You like a cake? You sweet like a cake. Okay, good. Then language feature. Using action verb. Tadi cut, fold, twist, hold, slice, cook. Nah, dan masih banyak yang lain. Using imperative sentence. Also using simple present tense like do this, do that, or verb 1. Yeah, good. And then tadi first, then itu namanya linking word to do with time. Jadi kan termasuk dalam waktu. Linking wordnya ada first, then gitu. Pintar Mas Anton. Okay, and then biasanya kalau di langkah-langkah itu ada kayak hati-hati, panas. Nah, itu namanya detailed information on how. Jadi biar kan biasanya kalau yang membuat text procedure sudah pernah melakukan. Jadi ada tips-tipsnya. Misalnya bikin kue biar tidak gosong. Don't bla 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 bla. Suhunya segini ya kan? And then general structure. Biasanya kalau di text procedure itu ada apa tadi? Data sendiri, judul itu masuknya ke goal atau tujuan. Tujuannya apa? How to make coffee. Nah, itu namanya tujuannya. And then di text procedure ada apa lagi? Alat dan bahan. Nah, ingredients, betul. Mas, ada alat-alatnya apa aja? yang dibutuhkan apa aja, lalu bahan-bahannya, alat dan bahan. Oke, itu masuknya ke materials. So tadi ada tools, materials, and then terakhir step. Tuh, step is method, caranya. Step. So there are 3 in the generic structure of the procedure text. First, goals, and then materials, and then method. Okay, method apa isinya tadi? Step. Good. And then, nah nih, this is your example. Sama ya kayak di video tadi. How to make fried rice. Nih, ada ingredientnya. A plate of rice, 2 tablespoon oil. Yuk, Bananda, I want to you read this slide. Okay, yang ingredients betul. Oil, nah oil, okay. Oh, garlic. Yeah, okay, thank you. Very well. Okay, and then Mas Anang. Equipment. Knife. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you, Mas Anang. Nah, semuanya memperhatikan ya, good. Kenapa? Karena apakah kalian semua suka masak? Okay. And then, chef yang tadi suka memasak kue, sekarang memasak nasi goreng. Okay. Chef Nanda, bisa please read the steps. Good. Ya. Masukkan nasinya, betul. Season. Good. Ya, betul. Terima kasih, chef. Okay. Do you have a question for today for our material? Okay. Gampang ya. Lebih mudah mana descriptive text sama procedure text? Okay. Bisa nanti if I ask you to make a procedure text. Alright, good. So for the next our meeting, I want you to read your procedure text in front of the class. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. But I want to check your pemahaman kalian. Saya mau mengetes pemahaman kalian sampai paham di mana. Saya akan memberikan sedikit quiz, hanya sedikit saja. Okay, quiz online. Do you like online? Selama ini kan kita pandemi ya, terbiasa dengan online. So I will give you quiz in the online. Okay? Saya akan kirimkan linknya sebentar lagi. Okay? Are you enjoy this our lesson? Okay. Can you make a summary for our lesson today? Okay, first, what is procedure text? Yeah, good. How to make something, how to do something. So there are 3 general structure. What is it? Yeah, good. Betul. Ingredient, nah maksudnya apa? Materials, and then method. Good. And then tadi pakainya verb apa? Pakainya verb 1, namanya tensesnya simple present tense. Good. Yeah, using imperative sentence. You have note for our lesson today. Good, Mbak. So you can answer my question. Good. Okay. Apa pertanyaannya? Oh ya, jadi ya itu nanti saya akan kasih contoh yang tentang how to operate something. Okay, nanti di modul ada yang contoh yang bukan resep. Okay, siap. Nih, okay. Putu tuang. Slice banana. Apa slice? Betul, mengiris. Okay. Enough? Okay. So setelah ini saya akan kasih kalian kuis selama 10 menit untuk dikerjakan. Okay? nih linknya. Oke, akan saya tunggu, silahkan dikerjakan. Okay, good job everyone. You do this the quiz so very well. Gak apa-apa, ini paling rendah kalian 80. Good job. Jadi kalian sudah paham ya materi untuk hari ini. Kita juga sudah membuat summary tadi. Okay, I think enough for today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Jangan lupa tugasnya.